Hello everyone, welcome to Qondle Technology. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT for generating hashtags. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Qondle Technology. So let's get started. You know that using ChatGPT for generating hashtags can help increase the visibility and reach of your social media post. With the right prompts, you can quickly create relevant and effective hashtags tailored to your content. So now I'm gonna show you some structures with points along with example prompt. So let's go. Number 1. Specify your content focus. By defining your content focus, ChatGPT can suggest hashtags that target the right audience and improve engagement. Example prompt: generate hashtags for fitness posts about workout motivation. Here is your best result from ChatGPT. The next one, number 2. Ask for trending or niche hashtags. ChatGPT can help identify popular hashtags or niche tags that resonate with specific communities or current trends. Example prompt: suggest trending hashtags for posts about sustainable living. Let's check the answer. You'll find the best answer from ChatGPT. And the last one, number 3. Request a mix of popular and less competitive hashtags. Combining high volume and niche hashtags ensure your post has a broader reach while standing out in specific areas. Example prompt: give me a mix of popular and niche hashtags for a blog post about digital marketing tips. Let's see the answer. ChatGPT will provide the best answer. So, with these tailored prompts, ChatGPT can help you generate hashtags that maximize the impact of your post. Experiment with different requests to fine-tune your hashtag strategy. I hope you like this video. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.